with Vlogmas day 22. Guys, I skipped 3 days of Vlogmas because I just was not feeling it. So let me explain to you guys what happened. So on Friday, which was I believe Vlogmas day 18, I had after I finished the gingerbread house thing, my brother was going to get ready to go to work, and he pretty much told me, like, hey, you got a flat tire. And I'm like, what? I haven't went nowhere in like a week, so how do I have a flat tire? So that whole thing happened, and I was like, well, by the time that, I looked out there or whatever, I was about to start doing my podcast and stuff, so I had to just let my car sit there until Saturday. So then Saturday comes around. Saturday, I have to call AAA to come and replace my tire with the spare tire. And then after that, I had to go to the tire place to go get a new tire, which thank God I did not need a new tire because they said that my tire, so that tire that I have on my car, I guess I'm just going to make this like a little story time type of vlog thing right now. But so the tire that I have on my car right now, that tire was flat one time when I was at work. Then I literally came out, seen my tire was flat, had to call AAA then. And then AAA's like, yeah, the tire's not too bad. Maybe you can go to American Tire, which is like down the street, and you can get them to fix it. And I just went to American Tire simply because I didn't want to keep riding on the little spare or whatever. Like, I don't know, I get really, anxious riding on the spare because it's so much smaller than all the rest of the tires. So, I don't know, it's just a part of that is just really weird to me. I'm sitting here and I'm driving around on the spare or whatever, and I go over there, and American Tire, when they put the spare on, or when they fix the tire, they supposedly put in a little thing to keep the air in the tire or whatever. So apparently when I went to the new tire place that I went to on Saturday, they told me that my tire, the little thing that was holding my tire together, that thing fell out, so then that's why my tire got flat. Because, if you've seen the tire, it wasn't really all that flat. It was just, very, 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 faintly, flat or whatever. So, the new tire place told me that they would patch my tire up or whatever, and they would fix it, and it literally only cost me, $15. So, I was like, oh, thank God, because then after that, I went to the store to go get all the food. Well, not even all the food. I went to go get a good amount of the food for the Christmas dinner. So by the time that Sunday came, I just was not feeling right. By the time Sunday came, I had a really bad headache. So I spent most of the day just kind of chilling and laying there and, trying to feel better. And I'm starting to think that my brother's right. I've been getting a lot of bad headaches lately. And I think he's right. It might be because I'm not getting enough sleep, because I will wake up and then I'll be right back sleepy and stuff again. So maybe I need some iron or something like that. I don't know. But, yeah, I've not been feeling the best or whatever. And then even today, I'm still not really feeling the best. And then yesterday, which was Monday, I just had to, edit and stuff like that. And edit, put the podcast together, all that other kind of stuff. So that was my really busy day. And I was struggling to get everything together yesterday. I ended up going to bed at 11 o'clock. But today is Tuesday. It's my chill day, so I'm hoping that, I don't have much to do. And I'm honestly hoping that I could get some videos filmed. It's just I was not feeling the best earlier today. So I'm just drinking myself some tea and, just going to try to take it easy and film some videos and not be too stressful on myself. But yeah, I've got a lot of videos that I brainstormed that I do want to do, so hopefully I could get them all done. and my battery is dying, so I might have to wait on those videos, which is okay, because I don't want to put any stress on myself. Like, I just want to take it easy. Very, very easy. But anyway, guys, I am going to end it right here for now, maybe. I might pick the camera back up later, but if I don't, I don't, you know, it's just probably because I didn't feel too good or whatever, but I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back with another Vlogmas. Sorry guys, I'm just really feeling myself right now. I went ahead and took me some pictures on Instagram. Got me a little bit of breakfast, just a Hot Pocket, because, you know. But I do have an appointment later to go get my eyebrows done, because I even put in my caption on Instagram, but you know, I just been feeling like not like the cutest, you know, lately. So I've just been like, you know, let me go spruce myself up. Like, I have a whole video that's coming very soon where like I show you guys a bunch of items and things that I got from Dollar Tree for the low, because like I'm just really like just trying to clear my head of some stupid stuff. Like, you know, there's just people and things that get into your way and try to block your path and things like that. So yeah, you know, I'm not doing that no more. Like, it's about to be a whole nother new year, and I'm about to be another year older. And just at this point, like, I've been just manifesting that my husband is coming this year coming up, and you know, I have to be on the right track for him. So, you know, I'm trying to get it right now. So then that way, when he comes, he could just scoop your girl up with no problems. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. And that's what's up. But sorry, guys. I'm just, so cute. But, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna eat this Hot Pocket, finish this up. I'm gonna try to get a lot of videos and stuff filmed for today. I think I want to show you guys, like, the versatility of this, headband wig too, and do that in a video, but I don't know if I want to do it today just because, you know, I look really good right now. So you know, might have to just push that back or something. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish up my breakfast and maybe try to film beforehand, and if I can, then I'll do that, but if I can't, then I won't worry about it too much. Let me go show you guys the Christmas tree really quick, so then that way this vlog isn't just like, you know, nothing about Christmas and stuff. So let me go show you guys the living room. Okay guys, so here is the Christmas tree. This is what it is giving. Not many gifts down there. If anything, most of the gifts down there is mine. Because I went a little crazy with buying myself stuff. My brother has like 3 gifts down here, maybe 4, because I think one of my sisters bought him like a couple different things. But yeah, like, I'll explain why. And my brother doesn't have any gifts down here for me, but once I tell you guys what I got for Christmas, you guys will know why it was too big to just fit up under the tree. Okay. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. But yeah, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the Christmas tree and let you guys see what was under the Christmas tree and see how the Christmas tree was looking. But I'm going to finish up breakfast, and then I will come back to you guys after I finish. Alright guys, so I'm back. So unfortunately, I won't be getting my eyebrows done because they said that they're booked all the way until like after Christmas. So on the 26th, I will be going to go get them done, which is a little sucky because I did want them done for Christmas, but that's all good. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna take it as a sign that I can get a lot of YouTube videos filmed and get a lot of content done. One thing that I did do was I was at least making my first ever short that I'm about to put out. I'm gonna probably premiere it tomorrow for Christmas Eve, so that'll be like an early Christmas gift to people. People can see like me doing this little shorts or whatever. I don't really want to tell you guys what it's about or anything because I just want people to actually watch it. But yeah, just know that it will be up by tomorrow. So that's that. And I'm pretty much just going to try to continue to get things done for today. So I will talk to you guys in a bit after I finish getting a couple videos filmed. Alright, hey guys, so I am back right now on the vlog. I picked this thing up like 3 times, like I can't believe it. But I came back on here just to like update you guys. So I literally have a eyebrow appointment again now. I know that I told you guys at first that they told me that, you know, hey, they canceled or whatever, or that I was not able to fit in or whatever. I'm so excited I can't even talk. But like, they were actually able to fit me in today because somebody canceled, so thank goodness, you know. So yeah, I'm going to be able to head on in there and get my eyebrows done. I'm not sure who's doing my eyebrows today. I used to get the same girl that, you know, I always get, but hopefully the same girl that I usually go in there and get, she can just be the one, because I'm not sure if her name's Sandra or not. I just know that she's the one that I usually get. So I'm trying to hurry up. I'm sorry guys, I'm like out of breath a little bit because I'm trying to like hurry up and stuff. Because I want to go to the bank and get some cash. Because while I'm over there, I might as well go to the beauty supply store and get some more edge control. So yeah, and I filmed 3 YouTube videos today. So guys, I have seriously been on a freaking roll today, and I'm like loving it right now. Like, I'm just on a really big high right now. Like, you guys can't get me off my high right now. So yeah, I'm about to get myself together, kind of put things away. I don't know if I'm going to try to film another YouTube video, but I might just cut it for today because I've already done 3 YouTube videos. So I might cut it for today and pick it back up. Well, tomorrow's Christmas Eve and I'm going to make my food. By the way, guys, I don't even think I told you guys what I'm making for, wow, that bad lighting change. It's because I'm in my bathroom now. But I don't know if I told you guys what I'm going to make for Christmas dinner, but I'm going to try to make gumbo. Now, my mom was from Louisiana, and she was from the South and stuff, but she didn't like none of the stuff that you eat down South. Like, she knows she was just meant for California, I guess, because she's like more fucking bougie than I am, shit. But yeah, she didn't used to eat none of that stuff. So gumbo, all that stuff, she never used to eat it. So I've never known how to make this stuff. Like, I have aunties and stuff that know how to make it, but, you know, YouTube is so, like, it's such a university that you can literally find out how to do everything from there. So, like, I seen people and I was like, okay, that person's not New Orleans enough for me. That person's not New Orleans enough for me. Bam, there you go. You're New Orleans, so let's go with you. And I had to hear the way they talked too, you know, like, if I'm about to take gumbo advice from somebody, they can't be talking like me, you know, they have to have a hard down accent. Like, I need to know you really from there, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so I'm about to grab me a jacket really quick, because it's so windy. And I'm hoping my wig don't fall out or like fall off or whatever, because I do not have time for my wig falling off while I'm going out here trying to be cute and shit. Like, don't have time. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. So I will catch y'all when I get back home. This is the before with my before eyebrows, and we're gonna come back with my new eyebrows. Okay? Yes. Ooh. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I am back home. As you guys can see, these brows are done. Hey. Yes, like I said, guys, like, I literally like had a weak little moment. Like, I just had to go get my brows done, because honestly, that's all that I really be caring about. As soon as my brows are done, like, I feel like I'm a whole new person, okay? So that's like the only thing that is like running out there to go do, you know, like, that I was like, damn, you know, like, I do get my nails done and stuff, but my brows was everything. Like, that right there was just painful to not have to go because of the Rona. And, you know, I was just like, you know what, the Rona, it is what it is at this point. So I was just like, you know, I just ran out there, went to go get them done real quick, you know. They was really cautious in there, though. They were like, you know, Lysoling everything and cleaning everything down. They was having people go out the back door and stuff, and they weren't the ones, like, you didn't have the people actually touching the door. They were the ones touching the door, so it was, you know, it wasn't too bad or whatever, so I'm not even mad. But yes, like, my girl got me together this time. Like, oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, don't play with me. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm finna get these notes set for this podcast. Then I'm about to get on the phone with my sisters, you know, talk to them and stuff like that, and just kind of do that for the rest of the night. I think I'll actually maybe try to put all of these vlog pieces and stuff together too. So maybe get that done, so then I get the vlog and stuff done for Saturday. I don't know what I'm going to do for Christmas's vlog, because I'm probably not going to be filming that much, but I'll probably let you guys see like a pile of my gifts together, and then you guys can just wait for the actual video of what I got for Christmas to drop maybe later or something like that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this podcast started, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so we are on Vlogmas day 25. Now guys, this week as far as Vlogmas goes, I have not been doing my thing as far as really uploading content and everything, but for the most part, I just, hang on for a second, let me push up the light. But for the most part, I just wanted to kind of like end the vlog and everything and kind of just tell you guys, like, thanks for being patient with me with Vlogmas. I understand that this week of Vlogmas has not been at like its, you know, most, you know, I didn't do a lot. Definitely make sure you guys go check me out on Instagram and everything, because I've been extremely active this week with uploading and everything like that. Pictures and stuff over there. I also uploaded a short sometime this week, so definitely go check that short out as well. Guys, I know that I look a little different. I have on lashes, and right now these lashes are lifting like a mug, but for the most part, I actually got my pictures and everything in it. So once again, go check out my Instagram and things like that, so you guys can see all of my pictures and things like that that I posted. But yeah, guys, just for the most part, I am done with Vlogmas. I'm definitely going to do it next year, and I will try to do a little bit more than what I was able to do this year. I'm gonna do so many different types of things, so you guys have so many videos to look forward to. You guys actually will see these lashes in one of my videos that I have coming up very, very soon, because I've been on the move with filming and things like that, so you guys will see that. You guys will also see these clothes and things. I'm going to plan a video out for that. And I'll explain to you guys what I got for Christmas and things. Now, if I'm lucky, the Christmas video will drop on Tuesday, which is going to be quite a bit of time after, sorry, it's just bothering me that this eyelash looks like it's doing the gangster-lean, but it is what it is, guys. But yeah, for the most part, you know, you guys will see that whole thing or whatever too, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed Vlogmas, and I will see you guys in another vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog more for you guys, just not every single day, okay? But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into my Vlogmases, especially if you guys joined for all 4 weeks, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!